There's something real happening here, across the ages and across the world. The Jewish mystic, the Kabbalist or the Chasid, says, Ein od milvado, all is God, and God is one, so all is one. The Christian mystic says that it is in God in whom we live and move and have our being. When the Muslim mystic, the Sufi, declares in the Shahada, La ilaha illallah, there is none but God, what he or she means is, there is nothing but God, all is God, Tawheed, and this God is one. The Hindu mystic says, tvam asi, thou art that, the Atman and the Brahman, the Self and God are one, and there is nothing but that. The Buddhist similarly affirms, on the other side of the spectrum, the non-duality of all existence, spontaneously, independently arising from the Sunyata, from the emptiness. This, to quote William James, is the everlasting and triumphant mystical tradition, hardly altered by difference of clime or creed. In Hinduism, in Neoplatonism, in Sufism, in Christian mysticism, in Whitmanism, we find the same recurring note, so that there is about the mystical utterances an eternal unanimity, which ought to make a critic stop and think. This is the secret of the mystics. The mystic who gazes through the telescope of love, peeks through and sees that everything is truly one, and that the only thing holding us back from experiencing it is our own sense of separation and otherness, and that if we could only somehow die to that illusion of the self, the ego, we could experience the oneness of creation, the oneness of God, the oneness of reality.